In the shadows where the pocket knife lies, a blade made of steel, a whisper, no cries. 8 or 13 MOV, it cuts through the night. Cheap but it works, it's a soldier's delight. A tool of precision, a secret in hand. D2 blade steel, the strength to withstand. Pocket knife, cutting through fears in the dark of the night. It always appears, Benchmade's allure, Buck's timeless pride in a world of steel. Let your spirit abide.
This is definitely the sharpest blade I now own. I did paper cuts. I did all types of tests. This thing is next level. Being M390, it's gonna stay sharp for a long time. With my sharpening technique, when it does get dull, I'll be able to get it back in no time. But I don't see this getting dull anytime soon. Jesus, this is sharp.
Let your spirit abide.